Hey man, you know where you watch?
Yes, my people, my day again once more, you know. Big up, respect and manners to each and every one, you see. Yeah, so my people, no pay much attention to any noise that you might hear in the background of the video. I'm just reaching and me I look after certain things and me I go and talk to you while me I do viewers and subscribers, you see me? And yeah, me have videos that I'm going to present to you as well, alright? Anyway, so first things first, I saw a video on social media, and in that video, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person accused the person who he called lawboss of stealing his motor vehicle, and the person also said other things as well. Now, the same person can be seen in more than one videos on social media and talking about certain things that are somewhat similar. And I'm going to present one of those videos to you so that you can hear some of the things that the person said, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Yeah, based on some things that you're about to hear the person saying in this video that I'm about to present to you, you can tell me who you think the person exactly I talk about. Alright? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen and observe for yourself.
1 year now, me I hold it, you know, but me have to talk. You see, if I went squash, Daddy One, Bobby Six, Mad Dog, or one of them artists like Tommy Lee, Vibes Cartel, me a par with, would have to get back my car a long time. You call me from my yard, tell me, say, come a town. And when I come a town, you take me things and your teeth in friend them. And style me send me down back a bad bush.
Yep.
And tell Pop if you tell me say when me come down, me go get me things. 1 year now me want me things and hard and me can't get me things, brother. 1 year and 2 months and even call me there prison, me there jail, no link me. I dead me for dead. That no should do man. I want me things, I mean no joke thing, brother, and a car thief. Bumble. So me have to do no brawling and disgusting. You hear that? Cause man no know fool and try chick get a youth like you know in. Call me say yo come at town.
So you hear some things that the person said in that video, viewers and subscribers? Yeah. You see, the thing is, more than one person can have the same name in the viewers and subscribers. So me's the kind of person I don't like to jump to conclusion. So I rather say it like it is and present to me, I present to you, and you can tell me what you think, my people. See me? Even though I might have some form of understanding or a clue as to who the person I talk about, but I'm going to tell it like it is. So with that, my people, I move on to another topic now, see? Now I'm going to present an audio to you, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, I got this audio from a video, but I present the audio of the video to you. Now, in this audio, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person talk about chronic law. And the person also said other things as well in this audio. I think it would be best if you listen to this audio for yourself. Observe and tell me what you think.
Yo, if I name for chronic law, dog. All the bad things that they do in our life, I tell you. And you just forget to recognize on the dance. Like you just see enough people, life, bro, friend with things. I tell you that this chronic law, dog, you might have some bomb or truth and road dogs on tune. Where you listen to them, my youth. Yo, may I tell you, if I name for chronic law, I do a whole heap of sitting. Me a hustler, dog, fruits myself. You have full people plus rent for pay. And when me there sell, me not trouble with the hands in Jamaica. Me with the hands, me not trouble. And this man on name out Greybeard. If any man get the work for last year, man turn up. It's talent in my life, bro.
Greybeard.
I be with trouble man I give me.
When you say Greybeard?
And the workers when you have we can know so me not get trouble. So man them even help him. When the man take on me things them dog. And to me tell you me begs me buy a bucket and sit say yo. Me I go kill them. One bucket and sit me buy some I dash upon them. In a van. When them a drive. And I start listening to some chronic law my youth and that changed me and I tell you. And them people they make people do things bro. And everybody out there want to do robbery. And everybody out there want to murder somebody, but some sitting with them and go through. So sitting with people do them, bro. They have to think about if you go rob people and kill people. And the government now look on this. And that make people kill people, the youth. Them sitting there, them foolish, but then youth they do. And everybody could have done police. And everybody could have done soldier, lawyer, and doctor.
Tell them.
Somebody have to be farmer. Somebody have to sell bag juice dog to make it. And where this money I go and dog. Yo, when I time I couldn't take no more money, I swear. People, me I telling them I buy a bucket I said I have it. And I want to sit and say, yo, I last like this now, I'll give up. And just walk gas station when me do it, bro. I'm fed up, my youth, I'm fed up.
Hey,
Me not thief. Me not come trouble to nobody, bro. No police, nobody. How much police me help, dog? How much police come and we say, give one bag of pie and I say, dog, me love for you, I do and Ray. See you out trouble. And then my man just turn up pestilent, dog. But then man want you go to take up gonna shoot people and rob people, bro. A man if it just build government for look on this dog and yo, may I tell you God, chronicler forget recognized in a Jamaica, yeah dog. May I tell you that you save enough people life, dog. If another youth there right now, probably may they are prison. Cause I swear to you, somebody took up some go, dog, it's a grey beard.
Hey, my people. Yes, when you hear a person say certain things, it's good to listen. Yes, I say it's good to listen when you hear a person say certain things. Because let me tell you something, you see? This person sent me the video when we get the audio from, you know, through WhatsApp, you know. You see me, I say my people, and, you know, when time I listen to it at first, I say to myself, say, but wait, when really I talk about? But when I listen carefully, I say, Jano, you know what, if I even the audio, I want me people to hear what that person I say and tell me what you think still, no. You understand? Because, you know, Dancehall Skilla channel is a place where your voice can be heard, you know, as some mistakes. I say, so when you hear a person say certain things, don't take the things that they say lightly. You see? Because you just might be helping a very bad situation. Just by listening to a person's, you know, worries, concerns, things where a person has got through. Sometimes when a person talks certain things, you know, it's like it bring a comfort to them, you know. No joke, you know. So, my people, that person has sent me a video and me present the audio from the video to you. Would I like you to tell me what you think, my people? I'm going to move on to one more topic. You can let me know what you think, alright? Yeah, because you don't know, you know. When a man a cook, you must know, say a cook a man a cook. Hungry man is a hungry man. Hey, but not that one I still. I rather take time and cook and full my belly. Alright. Now, my people, I present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers. I want you to look at this video and tell me if I recognize this person. Look, listen, and observe for yourself, my people. Observe for yourself.
Famous.
See?
One here. Darker outside. I want some more. Hey boy, come out of that. Give me a piece of it.
Hey boy, come out of that.
I mean, no. Right now, fully dark, ever clean. One thing with my bad friend. Hey, come out of that. I want you now. Yeah, with Bounty Killer dog, I say no. I want you, bud. Hey, boy, come out of that. I want you now. Him a pay smart, I'm a bad friend.
Hey boy,
Yeah.
come out of that. No.
No. I want you. No. I want you fully dark. I want you dark up. Body a bad, my friend.
Alright, so you see the person you see in that video, the viewers and subscribers, is a person who was involved in a situation where it is said that he intimidated or he demanded persons to get out of a motor vehicle that is said to be a taxi, and the person was holding a piece of board. See, now my people, some number of comments had been made on social media because that person basically tell film side of the story. And you know the thing about it too, me get the understanding that Zip FM, yes, Zip, the radio station, get some backlash from people on social media because they believe that Zip FM give the man something that him not really deserve. And that me I get the understand, because I'm not going to mention certain things. But here what me I go say, I want people to listen to me carefully, see? Me actually see a video on social media that shows when a female handed something to the person. You see me? It's like the person received something from the female. You can see all the Zip FM behind the person. See? Hear the thing now. In the video that I saw, the female said that whatsoever she give to him is from her, not from Zip. And in my point of view, whatsoever she give to him represents the piece of board when they have in their hand the day when him that say to some persons to get out of our motor vehicle in an aggressive way too. You understand? By the way, he had been charged, you know, after he had been arrested for that whole same situation there. So I say, yeah, so in the video the female say whatsoever he get is from her. And in my point of view, whatsoever she give him seems to be something that represents the piece of board when they have in their hand the day when they do him that do. You understand? So some people really and truly you know, say some things about Zip. Basically Zip I get backlash about certain things or allegations where I don't really that Zip the pan, you see me? Oh yeah, some people call the same person professional clown, you know, because the person said that he's a clown and all the other things. Yeah, but people just have to make you know about certain things, you understand? Yeah. I think I have to left it now. Big up and respect each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up!
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, me now. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.